Hello guys, hope you're doing really well. My name is AlexanderTorresa and this is my first ever video in English. So, sorry if I have some trouble at the language. It's not my first language, it's not my last one. Yeah, first thing to know me, I'm dumb as yeah. Oh well, the second thing is that I'm Mexican. Yeah, I know, right? Oh yeah. I thought Mexicans were more like I'm sorry, but I'm Mexican. I like tacos, just as you do. But the real tacos, not this. What's this? Would please someone tell me what's this? It's like a tostada, but it's not a tostada. It's more like, well, don't get me wrong. I'm dying to try something on Taco Bell. Because, spoiler alert, we have no Taco Bell here in Mexico. We don't. So, we don't know that type of Mexican food, but we know something about Mexican food, you know? Yeah, well, how did I just started talking about tacos? So, in today's video, I normally do a tutorial, a makeup tutorial, but today I really want to do a theme. It's not a great theme because it's not obvious in the first side of the video, but it's obvious if you pay attention to details. Yeah, it's a bee theme, so it's not like every honeybee theme. No, I want to do a queen bee theme, not that queen bee. I love her though. It's the main reason that I have these nails right now. Thomas Astruc, I love your work. No, I really do love your work. It's beautiful, and I'm seeking for more of Miraculous the next year. So, queen bee's theme, huh? It's nothing new. I mean, everyone has seen makeups about bees and yellow and black, and that's all. But I'll do my effort. I will go for it. I still don't know how, but I will do it. Let's just get it started. So my eyebrows are done. My skin is in the middle of being done, you know. I'm halfway there. Yeah, what I really need to do right now is to prime my eyelids. Eyelids? Is that the correct word? Yeah, it's not eyelid. Yeah, it's eyelid. You don't know how smart I'm in Spanish. I really feel this done right now. So I need to prime my eyes. That's all. I'm sure that you might not, if you're not Mexican, or if you're somewhere else that it's not Colombia, Ecuador, República Dominicana, whatever, you might not know this brand. But it's called Gok Makeup. It's really good. It's a Mexican brand. I just love it. All that I have on my skin right now is Gok Makeup, so I feel great. I feel cute. I feel confused, just like most part of my videos. So this is going well. Just a tiny bit of amount of this. Not all of this content is going out from Mexico. So if you have seen my videos, you know that I start with nothing on my face. But today I wanted to just play with it at the end. Yeah, just to play with my eyes at the end. My eyes are primed. They're matte. I really like the formula. I really do. How do you feel about it? I think I'll go with my favorite palettes. Sorry. City of Neon Lights and City of Pastel Lights. I have done it on my channel before, but still I just love them, and I really want to explore more colors because I haven't done any yellow look right now, so I really want to try it. I'm gonna start with my favorite pair in the brushes. I'll go with G23 and G29 from Gok Makeup. So I'll go with Little Miss Starshine first. It's really pigmented. I really like it, because you can notice the yellow, you know? I'm using this little mirror right here because I'm really used to it. I don't know why, but it's comfortable to use. I'll just base this right here with the 23. And with the 29, I'm gonna just blend this out. Alex, do you know what the heck you're doing right now? No. Like in most part of my life, so don't judge me. I'm gonna put it right here under my eyes. Right now I'm gonna go with Gelled Avi, and I'm gonna place it as a jello too. Like, it's not a big difference, but I wanted to go a little bit darker, and I will put a little bit orange on it too, so it goes like really well with my eyes. I'm gonna place this right here. in the center of my eye, and then I'm gonna blend with the other yellow. So when I put the orange right in this line, in the eyelash line, they're gonna go like, you know, so profound, like, I cannot say it. I'm gonna go with Orange is the New Glam. Right here, this is the Pastel Lights palette. Let's go for it. I'm gonna place the orange in the outer corner of the eye, and then I'm gonna blend it out on the eyelash line. Yeah, I like it. So now I'm gonna use a BH Cosmetics palette. It's called Modern Matte's 28 Color Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, and I love it. I really do love it. Who doesn't love a really nice matte? And I'm going for a little brown. How about this brown? Yeah, I really want a middle brown, not like a really dark one. I'm just gonna spread it on this part right here on the brow bone a little bit, and then I'm gonna touch a little tiny itsy part of this little triangle right here in the outside part of the eye, so it will blend with the orange. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit rusty in my English, but it's just because it's my first time doing a makeup tutorial in English. It's quite different. So I'll go with some glitter, and for the base of the glitter I'm going with Frozen. Into the end. No, it's an untransferable gloss of CAC makeup, and it's on the shade number 1. So I'm gonna just take a little on the back of my hand, and then with this little brush, this is 701, I'm gonna take a little bit and just place it in the start of my eyes, just like cut crease. Look at that. Yeah. And with this little flat brush, I'm gonna just take a little glitter and pat it right here. Yeah, like right there. Awesome. Here we are. So now the other eye. Is this my best golden glitter? No. Is it my worst? Maybe, but it doesn't look like it. I want more brown between the glitter and the black part that it will come later. So this is my favorite brown. This is CAC makeup, and it's the shade GS62. It's black coffee. I'm gonna take a little and blend this in the outer corner of my eye. I have to admit that I have a really sad story. I don't know if it's a sad story. I don't know if you will believe it. But there's one year I just planned my makeup all in a bee theme. And that year I just find this amazing artist. It's Margarita. I'm just gonna post her right here. I know she does not need a shout out, and not even my program that it's really small, but she's amazing. So I found her, and I found this little makeup right here, and I said, oh my god, I really need to recreate it. And I did. But at the next day, James Charles just did the same makeup, and I was just like, god damn it, no one's gonna actually look at it. So I deleted it from my Instagram. Yeah, you can actually follow me on Instagram. But yeah, no, I deleted it because it was just like everyone would just say that I copied from him. And no, I did not. I did actually recreate it from someone else. So I just was like, you know what, I'm just gonna delete it and there's no problem. Since then, I haven't done anything about bees, even though I just love bees. That's my story. You can trust it or not. So with a pencil brush, I'm gonna go for Woman in Black right here from Neon City of Neon Lights palette, and I'm just gonna take it on the outside. Draw one line, take it out, and blend that in. Just like the eyeliner that I'm not using right now. Look at that! It looks beautiful! I'm really trying to blend it in the brown, so it looks like a cut, but not that defined. I'm just taking the black down here, so it will disappear just like at the half of my eye, maybe. I will go with this natural liquid liner, so let's do this. When you're doing glitter, I really recommend you more like a liquid liner, because if you do something that is a little bit more chunky or just a little bit rough, you will take off all the glitter that you just put in. So I don't really recommend it right now. Now, with this little brush, I'm gonna blend that out into the shadow. So the eyeliner and the shadow just, lose themselves into each other. This looks so much bigger than this eye right here. And I'm not asymmetrical. Well, I'm a little bit asymmetrical, as we all know we are. But I'm not that asymmetrical, so it does make a difference. I just need a little bit of contour, a little bit of strobing, and my lips. So for contouring, GOG Makeup does have a contour palette. I really love this. I can obviously contour all my skin, but I really don't like that much of a contour right now because my eyes are really snatched. So I will go for the darkest one, just with the tip. It's the 926 of GOG Makeup's brushes. So good. I'm going for some blush. I'll go with GOG Makeup's 153. And I'll take this Let's Glow. It's a strobing palette that they have to just use the mirror for now. And the tip of the nose. For the strobing, I'll go with these little gold ones. Let's see how it looks. I know it looks better on a darker type of skin because they look amazing with gold and purples, and I just love them. Now the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow. I want to do my lips first. Most of the makeup artists that I know, they love to do a dramatic eye and a soft lip, or a dramatic lip and a soft eye. But Queen Bee, again, the theme, why would I do a little soft in here? So I'll take this liner. This is called Still Line. It's from GOG Makeup. It is so creamy and so soft, and it could be used on your lips. It's untransferable. I will show it to you, but later in this video I will just gloss it up. There's the black lip. I'll put some lashes on. Yeah, those are my lashes. They're on. They look cute. They look stunning. For the gloss, I'm looking for a little bit of Ice Gold from Jeffree Star's The Gloss collection. So I'm taking a little bit on my hand. So let's try it on. At last but not least, a little bit of Fix Plus. So this is the final look. So, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you do it on your home, at home, yeah. Hope you like the bee theme. Moving my hands like this looks like some little bees around my head. So, have a good day, guys. Bye.